Welcome to today's Excel tip. This table considers the set-off time and arrival time of various trains. And normally in time in Excel, you can go to the format option and choose time. In the format option, normally I personally type the 23-hour time and the system will convert this. So let's say the arrival time of train F is 11:45 p.m. So as soon as I type 23:45, it converts it automatically to an hour-minute function or function of time with the PM or AM automatically attached to it. Now, if you want to find the duration between two times, the equation is equal to the arrival time minus the set-off time. Now, normally you probably get a number. We'll change that. So we'll double click on the box, the bottom right hand corner box, and it copies the formula down. Now, if I want to convert these decimal times into normal time, I can right click on the selection, go to format cells, go to the time option and choose the 1330 time, which gives you hours and minutes. Okay, and now we have our times converted to hours and minutes. And there's only one thing I need to mention. This works all well when you are computing the difference between two times on the same date. Now, if you're computing times across days like midnights, including considering midnights, the form is actually equals to modular, then the time 2, it will probably be time 2 minus time 1, then comma, you have to put a 1 there to take account of the days, and that's how to calculate times that span across a midnight. So try this and let's see how it goes, and let's hear from you. Thank you.